Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 MG HS Excite, stock reference number 5502. The shape runs from the 9th month 2019 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat-nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with super sport button and cruise audio and phone buttons.